friends, and welcome back to my channel. Boy, has life been busy since moving in and starting remodeling our fixer-upper. I do have so many updates to share with you all, but for today's video, you're just going to see me do a serious deep clean as I prepare to move into this house. Now, if you missed the walkthrough video of our fixer-upper, I will have it linked down below for you in the description box. And if you are new here to my channel, welcome. I'm Julie, and I share all things related to beautifying our homes one project at a time. And I would love to have you join my YouTube family by hitting the red subscribe button and ringing that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Now, let's get on to some serious cleaning motivation. So I was going to record me cleaning this bathroom, but there was a mishap with the toilet, and I just decided I want to get it done. So I'm just going to kind of show you what I did. So the toilet is clean, but it's broken. And the tank is rusty, so when you flush, all the rust water comes in. So that doesn't flush, so you're going to have to replace the toilet. For the closet, I just vacuumed it out and then gave it a really quick light coat of paint over the wood so that it's not, hopefully it will help with the smell. Cleaned the windows really, really well. You can see the guys are in the back trimming trees. And I got down on my hands and knees and Lysol cleaned the floors and the tile walls. And then for the bathroom vanity, I tore off, there was like a weird metal covering on the top of it. I tore that completely off. I ripped off the yellowy plastic that covers the light because this is only temporary. We're not keeping this here. And I dusted up in there. It was really, like, I'm not kidding, there was at least 1/4 inch of dust in there. Changed out the bulbs that were broken, cleaned the vanity, and oh my gosh, I got white paint in my hair. And I did one coat so far of paint to paint over the rust that was inside. I did the bottom and the top. I'm gonna have to do a second coat, maybe even a third coat. Cleaned the glass, cleaned the vanity, cleaned under the vanity. And I would say that this bathroom, other than needing another coat of paint in there, is done for now. And my daughter is currently cleaning the outsides of these windows. She finished that window. She dusted the ceilings and the light fixtures. She cleaned out the, what'd she clean out? She cleaned out the closets. Next, we will do the floors when she is done with the windows. And she can't handle the smell anymore, so she had to go get a mask of all the chemicals and moldy outside stuff. And so we are going to tackle these two rooms next, but I think I'm going to tackle the bathroom. It's really already kind of been cleaned, but I'm going to clean it again.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you
happening outside. All of this brush. So they took out this bush. They trimmed up a lot of the trees. They tried taking these out, I guess, but it didn't work. So they're going to try again another time.
Are you doing like a before and after type deal?
A little bit. This is a big old dead pine tree that we need to get rid of. But they've trimmed all these trees. They still want to do this one up here. But all these trees have been trimmed up. Plus there was a really big bush tree here that went up over the roof. It's up to you, babe. That's gone.
I cut every tree with this thing.
No, you didn't. So that's gone.
You want this limb gone?
Honey, I don't care.
What do you think?
You guys pick.
You think of a driveway?
And right here, there was a really large bush that went up against this part of the porch here. And it was like hanging sideways. It looked horrible. And we got rid of that. So everything is starting to look a little bit better in the backyard. They mowed all this yesterday. What they did is they cleaned out, there was all like extra growth and stuff all along here and all around here, and they got rid of it all, if you can kind of tell. And they found these rocks, which she must have used to line the driveway. But the plan is to like get rid of or trim these bushes. We haven't decided because they're flowering. And we're keeping these plants. We're gonna end up moving them somewhere eventually. But we don't want to get rid of them because we're gonna reuse them. The same with these. But I can't believe this pile. Like, I don't even think it does justice on this video. I was really surprised when I came out here. I don't know how anyone's gonna come. They're gonna get rid of that. I'm not sure. And look at these two little cute cleaners. They're my little window cleaners. Oh my gosh, it's so gross. Why don't you vacuum it first?
I have my own way. Okay, I have my own way, and she has her own way.
So that's correct. She has her own way. That's what she's doing. Me.
That's gross.
Hold on a second. Let's have to go down this way. So let's get that upper thing. Now we have to vacuum. Hey, you know what? Listen, if your house smells like your grandma, it's probably because you need to clean your windows. Yeah. Oh, that's a good idea.
My project. There's so many tacks that so she covered all of her wood shelves in the kitchen with like this pleather, which was nice because it kept the wood new, but it all needs to be taken apart, and so I have to do it because the only thing I have is the screwdriver. I hope you all enjoyed this clean with me and hope you got something either knocked off your to-do list or at least some motivation to get something done. Bye, friends, and I will see you in the next video.